Hello, my friends. How are you all? And welcome to all the new members in my YouTube family. Sorry for delay for the part 2 of Revelstoke. Actually, I was busy with my kids' studies and a lot of other things. So let's start. So this is the night time when we did our bonfire in our campsite. As I told you earlier, we stayed in Williamson Lake Campground, and we decided at night that where we have to go next day in the morning. So the first stop where we went in the morning, that is the Blanket Creek Provincial Park. That is at the south side of the Revelstoke, which is there's a national park over there, that is Kootenai National Park in Revelstoke. This provincial park is one of our favorites, from the hiking to the biking to the lagoon to dip it on the hot summer. It is such a great place, and the waterfall is also accessible to everyone. Such a beautiful spot to explore. I highly recommend checking them out if you are in this area. Be sure to make time for this beautiful park and falls. The second spot where we went is the Arrow Lake. On the Arrow Lake, the ferry runs, which runs from the Shelter Bay to Galena Bay. And these Shelter Bay and Galena Bay both located in the Kootenai regions of BC, British Columbia, and it is very close to Blanket Creek Provincial Park. So it's a good activity if you are over there. This ferry is actually operates under British Columbia Transportation Department, so it is free. Most important, yes, it is free. As we travel to Victoria, and you have seen in the video, you have already watched it, that we have to pay over there to cross the to go to the island. But while over here to cross the lake, if anything is free and it's a good activity also, so why not? We have to avail that opportunity. So the first departure, which starts from Shelter Bay at 5 a.m. and the capacity of over there, that is 80 vehicles, and there are 250 passengers can come in this ferry. The most adventurous spot is the mountain pipe coaster Revelstoke. It is very fun for my kids, and I hope that all of you will love it. By gondola, we have to go up in the mountain, and with the pipe coaster, then we have to come down. It's really thrilling, it's really adventurous, and you all must have to try. Just look at this. The view is incredible from up from the mountain. You can feel the excitement. It's so thrilling, it's so exciting. This is not the end. There are lots of other videos of my trips. So if you want to see more videos, like my video, comment and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.